Hello everybody, welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to get rid of this seam here between two pictures. This is like a dark line, or you can obviously see it's a line between the two images. If you're building a composite or you're pulling out a sky and you're putting something new in and there's that intersecting line here, how do you get rid of it? Very simple. You generally want to go to your left side here and select the spot healing brush. When you do that, make sure that the mode is set to normal. You're using a very unhard brush, so like I'm going to use a hardness of 15%. You want content aware as the type set, and you also want to sample all layers. Also, another really good tip is you'll notice here is that this is where it joins, but I've actually got it a few pixels over top of it, so it's overlapping so that it's easier to work with. Okay, good stuff. Now let's get the spot healing brush and watch as I zoom in. Watch what happens. Bingo. We're slowly chopping away the seam. And they're now joining in and they're looking a little bit better blended. It's not perfect. I'm going a little quickly here. But as you can see, that hard seam is gone. And yeah, I'll just go real quick and show you. And something like that. And they're joined together. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.